Greetings, this is Jimmy Vu reporting from the X Games. Today we will be watching Danny Wei competing in the Big Air contest. Danny Wei gets ready and starts to take speed. Danny currently weighs around 77.56 kilograms and is moving at a velocity of 5.08 meters per second with a total momentum of 394.01. He jumps. He hits the ramp on the way down and falls. His momentum after the collision is now zero because he is no longer moving. Now, let us take a closer look at that accident. As we can see in the frame before the collision, Danny Wei is 50 feet above the ground. As stated earlier, he weighs 77.56 kilograms and is moving at a velocity of 5.08 meters per second with a total momentum of 394.01. The weight and velocity of the ramp being zero. After the collision, Danny still weighs the same, but now his velocity is zero. His momentum was conserved and transferred into the ramp during the collision. This action of Danny colliding with the ramp and the reaction of the momentum being transferred is an example of Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.